Welcome to another video. I'm 7beats and today we're going to create a unique but simple Afro beat in FL Studio. I just released my first FL Studio chorus. It's available on Udemy and Skillshare, and if you find it really difficult to get along with tutorials on YouTube, this is the perfect chorus for you. And I've also included some lessons about mixing and mastering, and I think those are really valuable for you if you're a beginner. So make sure to check it out if you're interested, but right now we're going to start off with the tutorial. So I'm just going to create a really unique but simple beat in this case. So I'm going to use the BPM of 105, and I'm just going to start off with an instrument from Analog Lab 5, for example. I'm going to search for a frequency modulated one, FM like. Just going to pick this one and create something with it. I've just used a MIDI from my new upcoming MIDI pack, and it's just using this C and G as the root notes, as you can see. So C and G. So really jazzy vibes when it comes to the chord progression. And right now I'm gonna add the drums. So I'm gonna start off with this Afro sample pack. I pick a kick, pick this one, enable clipping, and remove some of the high freak and play around with the color frequency. So I'm gonna paste it into the arrangement and select a shaker loop. So I'm gonna use this one, adjust it to the BPM of the project. For example, turn it down to make it more original. That's it. So right now first I'm gonna select a rim shot. So I'm going to select a rim shot, short ones and normal ones. So pick this one. So I've selected this hi-hat and this clip. And I'm going to create a unique pattern. So I'm gonna use this one. And right now I'm gonna add the 808 clip. That's it. And right now I'm gonna add the hi-hat. So it took a while before creating this one, and I've added some rolls, some 1/3 notes. And I think it's a great addition to the elements. And right now I'm gonna add the kick. So I'm gonna add a little bit of swing, around 20%, and add some more elements. And I'm going to add a shaker loop, just add an addition, so natural ones. So I'm gonna use this one. So like this, and then just... So this is the final shaker pattern. So I'm gonna add some more elements. So I'm going to add an open head. Short one. This one. And I've also found this tom. I'm going to layer it with the open head. So right now I'm gonna add some vocal samples. So I'm going to use arcade. I'm gonna adjust the key to C minor. So I'm gonna start off using this one. I've recently used this one, but I'm just gonna use it again. And that one right here. turn down the volume a little bit. So I've just duplicated those elements from Arcade because I want to edit them individually, and right now it sounds like this. So I'm gonna add a lot of reverb when finishing the beat. So right now I'm gonna add just another element, and this will be the bass line. So I'm going to use Serum for this one. So I've created this preset in Serum, and this is a new preset from one of my upcoming preset packs for Serum. So pretty awesome preset. So I'm just gonna start off at this C. At this one. Add one right here. Maybe this one earlier. Turn down the volume. And then just add one note in between. For now I'm just going to copy this pattern, duplicate it, and adjust it to the next root note, which is G. So I don't like the transition right here, and the scale we could also use this F3. That's awesome. And in case you're wondering how I'm copying it, I'm using Ctrl C and Ctrl B, and it will automatically copy to the next part of the pattern. So that's basically it until now, and we're now going to finish the beat and create the final arrangement and show you how I've done everything. So this is the final beat, and now I'm going to talk you through the arrangement. No build up, just directly, all the sounds are playing. Really like the low frequencies. Heads are coming in. Also the 808 pattern is really original. I've never heard something like this. Second head layer is coming in, the rolls. And 808, some of the drums. Breaks are coming in again. Focus coming in again. It's a really spacious beat, an ambient beat, but still a simple arrangement. And the outros of automated the limiter on the master, and automated the gain. Added a simple pitch bend right here. Just a tiny detail. Alright, now I'm going to show you the effects on the vocal samples. So for a vocal, I've created this bus channel, linked those other 3 vocal samples to this one. And on the other ones, I've added an EQ and some reverb. And on the second vocal, I've added this delay, this one, and also some reverb. So I've added some effects individually and afterwards linked them to one bus channel. So on the keys, I've added this shaker box. And I've used the width preset. And I've used this multiband compressor from Afro called OTT. And this really pulls the sound to the front. And I've used some panning on the drums, and that's basically it. So it's a simple beat and a simple arrangement, which leaves a lot of room for the artist. So I hope you enjoyed the beat. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in one of my next tutorials.